Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. What is your name?
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Tom. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Mr. Tom.
How old are you, Anna?
I am 8 years old.
Very nice. What grade are you in?
I am in grade 3.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
That's wonderful. Why do you like English?
Because it is fun and I like speaking English.
Very good. What do you like to do after school?
I like to play with my friends and do my homework.
That sounds great. Keep studying hard.
Thank you, Mr. Tom.